Hey friends, if you wish to rotate your screen on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So earlier there was a trick to rotate the screen which was Ctrl plus Alt plus the arrow keys, but these are not working. I'm actually pressing them while recording the video, but these don't work now because Microsoft has apparently removed the option to rotate them without a third party software, and I'm not sure about third party software products either. So I checked the Microsoft support forum for the best solution for this. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab and you may go to the system tab, go to display, and then there is an option called display orientation. So you have this option to flip it by 180 degree. Okay, as you can see, we have flipped it by 180 degree. Okay, so this is the option you have. You can only flip it by 180 degree for both the landscape and the portrait mode, but you do not have the option to rotate it by 90 degree as of present. I did not find it in any recent article or any recent forum. But if you find any such method, then please let us know in the comment section of the video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.